If you do not remember your Apple ID password, signing out of your Apple ID can be difficult due to Apple's security features. However, there is a possible way to remove your Apple ID from your iPhone without a password. So let's get started. First of all, simply tap on your name at the top of your settings and navigate to the Apple account settings. Now scroll down and tap on the sign out option available there. During the sign out process, you will get to see that it will ask for your Apple ID password. Now, tap on the forgot password option available there. Once you tap on the forgot password, you will have to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone password. Not the Apple ID password, you will have to authenticate with Touch ID, Face ID, or your iPhone password. So make sure to tap on the forgot password, and here you will be navigated to enter new password and confirm the new password and enter this new password while signing out of your Apple ID password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.